If you're looking for a dependable power cord that delivers both safety and versatility, the PWR Plus 6-foot AC power cord deserves a close look. This high-quality, three-prong cord is built to meet rigorous standards, ensuring your devices stay powered without compromise. Measuring an extra long 6 feet, this power cord offers flexibility in placement, letting you connect your electronics comfortably without being tethered too close to the outlet. It's UL and RoHS certified, giving you peace of mind that it meets strict safety and environmental regulations. Constructed with SVT3, C13 Aruban Florins wire rated at 90 degrees Celsius and 300 volts, the cable is engineered for durability and consistent performance. The IEC-60320 C13 connector on one end and the NEMA 5 to 15P plug on the other ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. What really sets this cord apart is its broad compatibility. Whether you need a power source for your TV, monitor, printer, or gaming console, this cable has you covered. It's a perfect match for popular brands like Samsung, Toshiba, LG, Sony, and more. Gamers will appreciate its fit with PS3 and Xbox 360 systems, while professionals can rely on it for powering computer PSUs and office equipment. It also works seamlessly with specialized gear like the Ion Block Rocker Block Party speaker system and other wireless portable speakers. Beyond consumer electronics, this cord supports a variety of appliances from Bose S1 Pro speakers to Epson projectors, Lexmark printers, and even fitness equipment from Bowflex and NordicTrack. This versatility makes it a smart choice for home, office, or gym setups. Safety is a priority here. The PWR Plus power cord is UL listed and built using top-tier materials that comply with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards. That means you're not just getting a cable, you're getting a product that's been tested for reliability and user protection. Customer support is another strong point. Based in Washington State, PWR Plus offers friendly and knowledgeable assistance, plus a 30-day refund policy and a 24-month exchange warranty. This kind of backing makes it easier to trust your purchase. If you move around often or need a backup power cord, the 6-foot length combined with the sturdy build ensures you won't have to worry about replacements anytime soon. Users have praised it for its perfect fit and dependable performance across multiple devices. Whether you're setting up a new entertainment center or upgrading your office gear, this power cord delivers consistent power without fuss. Its extra length means you can place your devices exactly where you want without stretching or straining the cable. Worth a look if you want a power cord that's more than just a basic cable. It's designed to last, certified to meet safety standards, and compatible with a vast range of electronics and appliances. That's what you get with the PWR Plus 6-foot AC power cord. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a reliable, versatile power cord that won't let you down. The combination of quality, safety certifications, and customer support makes this an easy choice for anyone in need of a trusted power connection. In summary, the PWR Plus AC power cord offers a practical solution for powering your devices safely and efficiently. Its long length, solid build, and extensive compatibility make it a dependable addition to any tech setup. With a 30-day refund and 24-month exchange warranty, you have nothing to lose by giving it a shot. Plus, the peace of mind that comes with UL listing and multiple safety certifications adds real value. Don't settle for generic cables that might fail when you need them most. This cord is built to keep your electronics running smoothly, whether you're gaming, working, or enjoying your favorite media. Remember, power cords are often overlooked but crucial components. Choosing one that's certified, durable, and backed by solid customer support can save you headaches down the line. If that's you, someone who values reliability and safety in their electronics accessories, This PWR Plus power cord is worth considering. It's a straightforward way to ensure your devices get the power they need, whenever and wherever. So next time you need a replacement or an upgrade, keep this 6-foot UL certified power cord on your radar. It's a practical, well-made choice that fits a wide range of devices and comes with a warranty you can trust.